Yeah.
We are live on Wednesday, July 16th. Cozy is very cozy, but he's not cozy at the same time. It's the yin and yang of coziness.
Yeah.
I am still very, very sore from, I don't want to say the Kofifi, but it might be. Oh.
The Kofefe.
So I've been like, I feel like I haven't left an egg position, like a cannonball form for the last couple of days. I've been just like, I moved my desk chair up a little bit and I'm just hunched over my keyboard and my trackpad suffering online.
Suffering from success.
Suffering
from pain.
What's been up though, dude? I saw Peter Thiel is buying our bags. He is he doing another one of these fucking treasury things? I didn't quite catch it. I saw a filing and I saw ETH doing its thing. Well, really what I saw is Solana Maxi seething about ETH while being down 40%, but let's not talk about that. What is Peter Thiel doing right now? Did any of you
tell me about this Thiel? What happened with Thiel?
Hold on.
Find the filing.
Buys 9% of Bitcoin miner Bitmine.
Let me see where this was.
9% stake in Bitmine Immersion Technologies, a firm building a $500 million plus ETH treasury. So yeah, he bought some ETH treasury related thing.
That is the new. I feel like this is the new SPAC scam. This is like the Web3 SPAC scam.
Yeah.
Like we talked about the Bitcoin ones before on the stream, like how bad those are. But you're seeing them now for like everything. Like that is. I saw one for Hype. There's some company that's like building a Hype treasury. I think that they partner with Paradigm, or like Paradigm's helping them do this.
Did you see how high SBET went? I feel retarded for not buying that.
Yeah, it's ripping because they actually have ETH.
People have been talking about it for so long, and I feel retarded for ignoring it.
I don't feel retarded
what is
for,
it now? It's like
not buying that. I don't care that it's up a bunch.
$34.
It's such a stupid fucking idea. It's gonna end so terribly.
Why do they have gaming? Why do they have gaming in their name? By the way, do you know?
Like I think it's hilarious that we're all just like going along with all this fucking shit going on. But
I just hope ETH gets to a respectable number before this all blows up.
What do you mean it's respectable?
He's gonna sell at 10K.
Hey, dude, listen, we were 3K when fucking
ECR said 10K. That's
Bitcoin
where
was like 26K.
So you've got Thiel now getting into the ETH treasury biz. You know, we've got fucking Paradigm and some Joe Schmoes doing a Hype treasury. What do you think the appeal to this is, Marty? Is it just TradFi wanting exposure to the asset but not wanting to hold spot? It just seems like, why not just
or maybe they can't get compliance to hold spot in a directional bet, but they can do some sort of debt deal, or they can buy equity in some company. That's much easier to get approved with compliance than
have the value be based in a volatile asset in a bull market so that they can take out loans 5x on what their treasury is worth. Fuck it. What their treasury is worth.
Exactly. And then, look, we own 20% of this company or whatever. Take out a nice loan and do it again.
Did you see what's happening with Robert Leshner's company takeover that he's trying? He's got a liquor agency, or a liquor distribution company that he bought the majority stake in, but like 2.5 million shares or something, or bought $2.5 million worth of shares to own 54%. And some like Chinese fucking the other shareholders, they tried to create more shares to like have the majority to like outvote his decisions. And he's talking to his lawyers right now about it, but it's pretty funny because it's like I feel like crypto people experience so many types of scams, but they're not exposed to like the type of scams that happen on NASDAQ and in stocks. It's a totally different type of scam market in both the markets. So now you're seeing some of the things happen, like these Chinese liquor distribution companies that will print more shares out of thin air if they need to.
That's great. That's great. Did you see Trump and J-Powell? They're going at it. Trump wants to fire J-Powell.
Oh, Trump wants to fire J Powell because J Powell doesn't want to let him run rates down to 1%.
So markets aren't, well, TradFi's not liking it. Futures are down almost 1%, 0.7. Not the end of the world, but
Bull run over.
it's not over yet.
No. Bull run not over because there's the dollar debasement trade that's taking place right now. Much like, and I didn't know about this because we're dollar oriented people, but people around the world they're
The euro is up like a fuck ton against the dollar. It's crazy.
Yeah.
just look at the dollars.
I
down,
mean,
like, what,
since
10%?
April, Marty, it's like 20%, 25% or something.
Jesus.
I didn't expect
The
it to be
UK
that.
forex traders are living it
Euphoric.
up.
Yeah. Also, it's funny with stocks because your stock can get delisted from like exchanges or the Nasdaq. Imagine getting your coin delisted from CoinGecko. I mean, I guess it happens with like delistings from Binance for dead coins, but it's like
It's happened to Monero, dude.
yeah. Well, yeah, that's different. There's like old dead projects that get delisted too. But even like like Luna Classic is still around, still on exchanges, or like Harmony One after the hack is still on every exchange that it used to be on. So it's hard.
They're bringing back the dinos or what?
Well, some of them. I think the ones that are I think the foundational dinos will always do well while the market does well.
Right? It's the silver to Bitcoin's gold.
Like,
right?
dude, look at XRP right now. If none of you have recently, I want you to take a look at it.
Let's look.
Maybe I'll pull it up for everyone to see.
Pull it up, David.
It is ridiculous.
Nice.
While we have been telling everyone to avoid it, it's a scam since 2 cents. It's fucking It's just been going for it.
Yeah.
Dude. Darlinghouse got the fuel in his back pocket.
Do you remember back when CoinGecko didn't exist and you had CoinMarketCap and XRP was the only coin where it said that it was pre-mined? There was like a check mark that said, because they used to have that category.
Yeah. I remember.
And it's like, oh yeah, that's a scam. Don't buy that. It's pre-mined.
It's a pre-mined scam.
Yeah.
Kids these days wouldn't understand, wouldn't know.
Yeah. Little did we know.
Dude, look at
For
that.
the kids that weren't around back then, it'd be like if the dev minted more tokens beforehand. But you didn't know about it. Look at this fucking chart, dude. Let me pull this shit out.
Yeah. I'm looking.
Look at this shit. What the actual fuck, dude?
XRP the standard, dude. They beat the case and they got approval in New York.
Beat the allegations.
Bro, I mean, just look from end of year last year. It's fucking this is insane for an asset called XRP.
Looks better than the Trump coin chart.
Yeah, the Trump coin chart looks like shit.
We've been telling everyone it's a scam since fucking 2 cents. XRP army laughing all the way to 589.
We've been telling people it's a scam since the newest participants in the market were like 5 years old.
Did you do we stream since the DOJ dropped the Polymarket probe? It's a good time for
No.
them to launch a token,
Not
don't you
sure.
think?
Oh
That was
yeah.
yesterday.
I hope I get the token rare drop for gambling on Zelensky's suit and losing my money.
How much did you lose on that fucking thing, dude? That's
Like
insane.
$500.
Oh, hey,
Yeah, what they
Because
need to
I
do
bought
is
it, it would have been like 20x or something.
they need to launch a token and the token be for their own Oracle system.
Oh yeah,
Like
That would be
release their
smart.
own in-house Oracle
yeah.
and have a token for that.
And then
That way,
distance
Poly
themselves
Market's
from
business separate. People can
Yeah.
speculate on the Oracle token
and they can distance themselves from what happened forever and be like, that wasn't us.
yep.
Use the Poly Oracle for the source of truth.
what else ran this week? Just ETH. Pull up that ETH chart, dude.
Yeah, dude. I didn't want to. I have been.
We're gonna jinx it.
I don't want to get too excited.
We're gonna jinx
you know,
it.
my one friend in my chat, anytime that I hit the, I pull up, I make the bot pull up the Solid chart, I jinx it. I put in a local bot. But yesterday I was like, you know, so-and-so, I got to do it. And he's like, do what? And I hit it and it came in. He was just
Yeah.
fucking dying. laughing.
Okay, it was a joke or something. Trump got asked if he's going to fire Powell. He said, I'm not planning. So this morning, it's very likely to not planning, all
Yeah,
within 10
so
minutes.
Market's ripping again.
Dude, look at that.
Would you
Yeah,
just look at
Soleth is at 2023 prices.
Jeez. And what about Sol Bitcoin? ETH Bitcoin, sorry.
Oh, ETH BT. Let's not talk about that. it's up from the bottom.
You're
It's,
talking about EPTC?
it's
what happened?
Marty. It's
Yeah, it's ripped from the bottom. Yeah,
2019.
no, like it's up a lot.
2019 prices for ETH BTC.
2019 prices. Not great.
I mean, you know, 2022 as well. 2020, not 2022.
Look at that.
Would you just look at it?
The rotation.
I got a lot of lines on that
It's a
chart.
fucking beautiful sight to see. I'll tell you.
I got a
what.
lot of lines on the ETH BTC chart. For I think I was every December. Yeah, look at this.
Jesus.
That's the ETH, my cope from before it dumped. It was over.
What else? Let's pull up this hype chart.
Trump said that they get to make a change in 8 months for the. Ooh, look at that. What is
Oh
it,
yeah,
50?
hype is like just free money for everybody, I guess.
Yeah.
Forever.
Free money forever.
Yeah, just like easy mode. Hello, sir. Here's your free money chart. Hello, sir. Were you late for the trade at $5? Here's your free money at $30. Just all in long.
I see people right now. They're trying to readjust the valuation, the public perception of the valuation for Pump Fund based on revenue comparisons and market cap of hype.
Oh, like that makes sense.
Yeah. I see the weirdest types of comparisons happen in crypto to like rationalize.
So what happened
why
with Pump? You want to
someone-
pull up the Pump? What happened?
Pull up the pump.
Is it not doing well?
It's doing okay, I think.
The
Yeah.
Pump was not fun. Okay, that's a
Which
5
one's
minute
the Pump?
degen. Let's get.
I think it's
let's get
just
it up.
hanging in there. It's not ranging. I mean, it's just nothing.
Here's the thing. It's not a very popular opinion, but I think Sol just becomes just like every other EVM compatible chain, and there is not going to be anything super stand out that people use. Right? Like I just see it like being like Polygon or Base or fucking Sonic, like anything. They have good apps. If that's your home base, there's stuff to do there. But it's like I just don't see people wanting to turn their streams into shitcoin, like turn everything that they do into shitcoins. We're going to be the Facebook, Twitch, TikTok, like cool, but like you are a shitcoin launching platform. So why would I want to?
They said they're gonna kill Twitch and Facebook and some other stuff.
Well, you're
Doubtful.
not. You're not going to kill Twitch. Kick might kill Twitch because of how much revenue all of the streamers who are making who cross stream are seeing.
Yeah.
Kick over Twitch. But
Shout out to our sponsors at Kick.
yeah, shout out to my sponsor. Thank you, Aiden. But like, you're not going to just come in and replace some shit like that on Solana.
Yeah.
I remember people like 6 months ago and a year and a half, like the further we go back over the last 2 years, people would look you like dead serious in your face about like why you weren't building on Solana when they weren't a developer. And I think those same people like would not ask that question today. Like you see apps, you saw Fantasy Top, where they migrate to Base. Why? Because it's smart to be in a place where there's on-ramps.
A place that's for everyone, because Base is for everyone.
A place for everyone. So like I see moves to Base as like a smart move, right? Like you're able to inherit some of the liquidity and users of Ethereum. You're able to have the on-ramp and kind of like adjacentness to Coinbase. And you overall have a pretty supportive like builder ecosystem to like help you get off the ground and support you. And I know this like personally from not that I've built anything on Base, but I've helped put people in rooms with Jesse before, and I've seen how like active he is with new builders and trying to get them integrated and like having a good onboarding experience for them. So like I think that was a good choice, and I just don't see like why you would choose somewhere else.
Shout out to our sponsors at Base. Use referral code.
Sponsors at Ethereum Foundation.
Referral code JC Denton
How
when
to
checking
sell.
out with your NFTs on Zora.
Teaching you how to sell ETH. But no, that's also just like a personal preference and thought. Like I've said that all the time.
Yeah.
Though, like if I were going to build something, and when I do build things, and the things that I've built, they're always rooted on Ethereum.
I just never like the
zero
criticism
downtime, inherited
Solana
security,
people.
most
Yeah.
liquidity. It's very simple.
Like since 2021, Arbitrum has been like smooth enough to like I never understood the criticisms from Solana because like Arbitrum and Base have been perfectly fine to use. UX is fine if you're not using MetaMask. Like I think
Dude, I had someone the other day message me an address and tell me and say like MetaMask and then the address. And I didn't want to like shill him a new wallet, but it just reminded me that there are people that still use MetaMask. I thought they didn't exist anymore. I thought like I was
still it's just
right?
such a first mover advantage. There's like tens of millions of downloads.
Like, I didn't want to change. And then eventually it got so frustrating to use MetaMask with hardware wallets for DeFi apps that I was like, I just can't anymore. It's not, it's detrimental to my wealth
and health
mental stability that I fucking move away from this thing.
Yeah.
And I went to Frame, and then you introduced me to Rabbi.
Rabbi. The rabbit rabbi.
Yeah, Rabbi has been great. I love Rabbi.
The rabbi.
And to be honest, I don't shill them enough. Not a sponsor, but dude, Exodus on they have a browser extension. They have mobile, they have desktop. But mobile
They're public, right?
Yeah, they're public. They're traded on the NYSE. Their mobile wallet has Ledger integration. So if you have either of the Bluetooth ledgers, you can just use their mobile wallet as like your signing interface and stuff.
Oh, nice.
And then on desktop, they have Trezor and Ledger support. So if you have a Trezor, you can like solely use Exodus as like the UI instead of using the shitty Trezor wallet UI, Trezor Bridge, whatever the fuck it's called now. And same with Ledger, you can use their UI, their wallet infrastructure instead of using the shitty Ledger Live app. So yeah, there's a ton of like, and Rainbow. I mean, Rainbow's great to do EVM stuff, but point being, there's tons of fucking options out there. Like, there's no reason to fall into comfortability with infrastructure you're using to like secure your money when there are things that work really well comparatively.
Liberty Financial, Trump's World Liberty Financial spent $5 million to buy 1,500 ETH at 32.66. Literally the fucking top. Their execution could not be any better.
Did they just do it? They just do it?
It's literally the fucking top. 25 minutes ago, it's literally the top, like
Oh,
on
boy.
the fucking tip.
It's over.
I think that they're up though, right? They were buying like 26, 2,700. Like we got to check, but overall, I think that they're up. NPR. Why is there so much excitement around cryptocurrency called stablecoins? Jesus, we're still early.
We're so early. Coinbase hit 100 billion market cap. I saw like 2 days ago or yesterday.
You're really quiet. Did you step away?
You hear me now?
Oh, we're
Yeah.
so back.
All right, there we go. I was coughing, so I moved my mic away. CB hit 100 billion fucking market cap.
Oh, jeez.
That's insane. What a
Yeah.
fade. What a fade by Cozy. One of the worst fades of all time.
Legendary
But-
fade.
Fading circle. Two different, but you know, it in tandem. We haven't talked since the pump raise. So for those of you who live under a fucking rock, pump raised what, 600 mil? Is it 500 mil from the ICO, then 100 and something outside?
About that.
My question is, what do they? It doesn't matter like whether they need the money or not. Like, what do you do? What are they going to do with that much money?
Buy back the token, of course.
Yeah, oh yeah, we should talk about that too, because maybe it's like my non-degenerate portion of the brain that makes me think, what the fuck? But they sell almost $1 billion worth of over $500 million worth of tokens at 4 cents, and then they start buying it back with the money they just earned from selling the token at a lower price. They start buying it back at a higher price.
Who's this? Sorry.
Pump.
Well, I think the proportion of what they're buying so far, like what, like
Not
liquidity
much,
is
but-
like what, like 8 million or something for a token that's like 6 billion market cap. So I think they're just doing it to, you know, to pump the price, generate hype.
Sure, but I'm saying like it's literally just burning cash. Like,
They probably
there's
allocated
no-
a certain amount that they are fine with burning.
there's
for
no
that.
CFO in the world that would greenlight raising $600 million and turning around the same day and starting to buy back the tokens you just sold
Did you see Alonso
35%
saying,
higher.
Did you see him saying it's Jumo time?
I
or
saw
something?
it. I love it.
Yeah.
I fucking put on the yarmulke right after I saw the
maybe
tweet.
that's what they're doing. It's Jumo. I don't know.
keeping it off. We're taking everything for ourselves.
Putting the pump on.
Putting the pump on the coin. Your favorite money market, Marty passed 50 billion in net deposits. Aave in the first.
The Aave is growing.
50 bill in net deposits.
Yeah, it's
Is
crazy.
there a chart?
It's
Is there a chart?
actually pretty crazy.
Let me see.
Is it just up only?
It's pretty up only. Let's for TVL by then. Yeah, it's pretty up only.
Let me see if I can pull it up.
I'll show you one here. Aave V3. Get out of here.
Just
Get out of
up. Just up. Even the DeFi Llama one makes it look better. Pull up the DeFi Llama one. It looks amazing.
You could tell I only go to DeFi Llama for one thing. Oh, you can't see the link. When I typed it in, it was like I typed in DeFi, and as soon as I put the L, it swapped out DeFi Llama. What am I? Aave or lending? Where are you? Volumes. Or TVLs. Where are you? Llama, if you're watching, you should let me help you reorganize this.
Yeah.
What's their dev team size?
Last time I met with some of them, it was not very large. Like, there's
What's
a
the
lot
main guy's name? The guy that posts on Twitter a lot. Forget.
The Llama?
Which one?
The main DeFi
UX
Llama guy.
Llama?
No, what I did is I just looked up Aave DeFi Llama. So it's DeFiLlama.com/protocol/Aave.
There you go.
Dude, look at that. Up. Good for them.
29.43 billion locked is a crazy fucking metric. Earnings.
Yeah, it is.
Insane. And what's their revenue? There we go. There we go. $20 million quarter. Not bad. Not bad for a little data company. Today we got Block
That's when
Trolls
you
later. Block Trolls for the full.
Yeah, in
I
2
can't see
hours
the
from
chat.
now.
We got chat going on, but I'm not able to see any of it. Weird. Not working today. Yeah, we got Block Shoals in what, an hour and 45 minutes?
Yeah.
Is it Andrew again?
Andrew, the Vaultard, the Vaultalks are
Very
back.
nice. Very nice.
We're gonna
We
talk a
need to
little
get back on
Ethereum too.
our-
So if you're an ETH maxi, make sure to tune in.
Yeah, we need to get our other ETH Maxi friend back on.
Oh, dude, he might be right, dude. 80K.
Dude, I'm starting to believe. I'm starting to believe. That was definitely the craziest price prediction I've ever heard. And I know it's not from him; it's from a report. But it's fucking just the idea that went out in TradFi is so crazy to me. Given
it was from ETH Realize or something. It was from like a notable source. It wasn't.
Sounds like it originates from what's her name, Kathy something.
No, it's based in data, right? Like it's saying like, you know, if these things were to happen, we could see this. And like they're comparing it to other real world assets and their market caps and shit. And like we all laughed when we used to compare Bitcoin's market cap to fucking Google and Apple and all that shit. But I mean, look at where we're at now.
Yeah.
So who knows? I think if ETH were ever 80,000, we have much bigger problems to worry about than
just like the Bitcoin, whatever, 20 million or whatever, 35 million.
Yeah, that's like
whatever.
Bitcoin at $1 million, right? Like,
or Sailor's thing, Bitcoin at $30 million, and you're like, dude, you don't want to live in a world where Bitcoin's 30 million.
Yeah.
You got more
Absolutely.
problems.
But enjoy your week. We will see you later today. For those of you that tune in at
Mhm.
Premium Finance, we'll be streaming an hour and 45 minutes of Block Shoals, and then we'll be back on Friday.